Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this occasion, we will to learn how to design simple path in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. First, you want to make from front plane. Just right click in front plane and click sketch, like this. So we want to draw from here. Go to sketch and select the center line. Draw to the top like this from the origin point and set for the height in here. Distance from here to center in here is 48. So we set in 48 millimeter. Okay. Here I use the millimeter unit like this. Then draw circle in here to circle like this. Yes. We can see in here hole, and this sketch is have a radius and have a same hole 15 and the radius is 14. So set the dimension for the hole in here have the radius is 15 millimeter, and the second circle in here have a radius 14, so the diameter is 28. This just click OK, and then we can just to select the circle sketch pattern. Entity to pattern we select two circle in here 4. Let's click and point in center in here. Just click OK. Just to trim entities on the bottom two circle like this. Just click OK. Okay. Select this point and make a fix. Make a fix because in here to make horizontal for this point like this. We can see in center line in here is horizontal like this for center line. Okay, just make center line again. The distance is 60. So select the center line in here. Draw to below like this, and we can to set the height is distance is 60 millimeter like this, and then we can draw in here circle again. We can to draw in here, and this circle right click and click make contraction geometry like this. So the set the dimension of the circle in here. There have radius 35, so the diameter is 70 like this. Okay, and then select the circle and draw for this point like this. Ensure this point and this point is make horizontal like this. Okay, and set the dimension of the diameter of circle in here. Here have circle have a radius is 19, so we just to make a diameter is 38 because have a radius in here, the center in here as is 19, 38 in here. Ensure this point is make fix. We can undo like this, Control C like this. Okay, like this, and then 3-point arc select in here to this circle here. Ensure this 3-point arc and this circle to make tangent. These two in here to make tangent like this. Then set the radius. The radius in here is 20. Is 20 like this. Okay, it's simple. And make a center line again. Draw it like this and draw until this point. We can erase first, and here you can erase. Draw a center line in here. Center line select and draw to this line and circle, this to this, like this, and set the angle in here. The angle is in here 60 millimeter, 60 degree, sorry. Silly, 60 degree for the angle to center line to make a slot. After this we can to select a circle, draw from origin point. We can to erase in here first, like this, and then set the dimension for the circle in here, the bigger circle in here, have a radius 54, so the diameter is 108, like this. Okay, so we can to trim entities for this line, and this line, and this line, like this. And then we can to mirror entities to this circle and this 3-point arc. Mirror about, we can select this center line and automatically to mirror in beside on in right in here. Just click OK, and then trim entities again, this line and this line. Okay, it's simple. Here we can check in here the radius is 19, appropriate with this drawing. Okay, after that we want to make circle again in the center. We can to make 3-point arc slot for to make this sketch from this point to this, and draw to this line and draw it. Ensure this point, this line and this line to make make intersection, and this point, this line and this line, center line, this and this line to in this point, in just in this point. So it's not a mistake or no problem, because we can start to this point. Okay, and set the dimension in here. Have a radius is 9. Just input 9 millimeter for radius. Okay, after that we can to mirror entities. This slot to mirror about, we can select this center line. Just click OK. It's a simple like this. Don't forget to make circle again from this point. The circle have diameter 40. So set the dimension in here is 40 for dimension. 40 like this. Then make a slot. Just we can change in from strike slot for this point, because we start in here. Draw it like this and set the dimension for radius of slot. Here have diameter of 20, so the radius is 10 for the slot, and we can to erase. Just click OK. This line, and this line, like this. And don't forget in here have a fillet, radius 5. So sketch a fillet in here. Click this point and this point. Fillet parameter we can change in 5 millimeter. Just click OK. Okay, and the last we can to make this sketch. Just simple. This is have a radius diameter in 28. So we just make line for this point. Make line again for this point. Ensure this line and this line we can select make equal, and set the line is have 14 millimeter, because the radius of circle is because the diameter of circle is 28 outer. Then just select the 3-point arc again, draw this point to this point, then set the radius is 20 as input, 20 like this. Then mirror entities, and this mirror select this line, and this line. Then and mirror about, we can select the center line. Just click OK. This is simple like this. After that, we can do trim entities. This line, mirror entities, this line and this line. We can hide. Okay, you can delete first in here for dimension. We can to set the dimension again in 48 like this. Just is simple. Ensure we have to input all dimension on in this sketch. I think is we just input all the dimension appropriate to this drawing. So after that, we just to feature and extrude boss to make this sketch to part solid part. Okay, and direction is blend. We can do set the thickness in here at 5 mm and just click OK. Okay, after that we can to change the color. Just click appearances. The color is red. Just click OK. We can change the color again for the whole. Select the face. Maybe it's dark. Select this face to be dark. This face and this face. Okay, this is be more interest part like this. Okay, it's a simple part. Click OK, and done. It's our part. We just to change from the sketch to solid part. It's perfect for beginners. Thank you for watching. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this material. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe this channel. Thank you. I hope this helpful for you for practice or to make a part in SolidWorks. Thank you very much. See you in next tutorial.